Hi guys, it's Kenecia. Welcome back. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button now, because I'm going to tell you right now that you're going to enjoy this video. So do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you want to stay in the loop of things, again, just ring the bell down below and it will notify you when I post a new video or things like that. Alright, so we're going to jump right into this video because I'm super excited about the things that I'm going to share with you guys today.
I'm stuck in trying to find a way.
But I'm going to be testing out the new Beautyblender Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation here. I'm also going to be testing out the new Norvina by the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Both of these are like really like cute packaging to me. It's been a long time since I've seen like a boxy foundation or like square like foundation. Let's open these up and see what they look like. It comes with a little instruction manual, I guess. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. It's where you press it down here. This is the lock, I'm guessing. You can lock this foundation to keep it from spilling, which is a good add-on to this. The shade number is here at the bottom. And on the back, it has a spot where you can put your beauty, like when you pump it out, this is where it comes out. And you can put your foundation here. You can mix it, dip it. You can use concealer here. This is a great user-friendly container, I think. A lot of people are going to like this. At first when I saw this, I thought it was going to be gimmicky, but I actually think this might be a good idea. So yeah, that's what the Beautyblender one looks like. Here we have the Norvina palette. It is felt, so it's soft and smooth. Back just has right here all of that important stuff like cruelty free. 18 months of shelf life. This is what so it comes with this over the mirror, the plastic thing over the mirror that just fell out on me, and comes with the mirror like I said. And let's turn it upside down. You got your shades here, glitters and mattes, and it also comes with the brush that fell out as well. Super pretty if you ask me. Really like it. So let's just jump in and talk about some of the things that we're going to expect out of this foundation. Oh wow, I just realized that some of the shades have sold out on Sephora.com with this foundation. So I'm going to hold it to very high expectations. So this foundation comes in 32 shades and 32 lighter shades, and there are very few darker shades. It is supposed to be 24-hour wear. You're supposed to get 24 hours of wear time out of this. It is 1 fluid ounce and 30 milliliters, so it's the standard foundation amount that you get in other foundations. I got the shade 4.40, and it looks like it's gonna match me, so we're gonna see. As far as the Norvina palette, this is $42 and you can find it on Anastasia right now. I don't think that it's sold anywhere else, but you can find it on their website. 14 shades of eyeshadow here. Like I said, it comes with the mirror. You're already familiar with this, like kind of the layout of the palette if you have the Modern Renaissance, the Subculture, or I think it's the Prism palette or something like that. I don't have that one, so I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm gonna be using the Tarte, what is it? Timeless Smoothing Primer. I'm using the Benefit Brightening Concealer just to put on my eyes so I can cancel out any darkness. Alright, the first shade I'm going to go into is the Soul color, which is this color here. I'm just going to take this and put it pretty much all into the crease area. This shade is called Drama. Going in with Drama. Next, I'm going in with this shade, which is called Celestial. Going in with the shade Passion. Just going to take that lightly on the brush and just deepen up the outside corner a little bit and a little bit into the crease. So this is how we're looking so far. I like the look right now, but I do think that it needs like a little bit of black on the corner just to smoke it out a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do now. But the palette does not come with a black or a deep color, I guess, like a deep enough color that for my liking. So I'm just going to go in with the Huda, I think it's the Rose Gold palette that looks like this. I'm going to use the black from there. And the next thing we're going to do is move on to the Beautyblender foundation. Okay, again, I got the shade 440. It's supposed to be a matte finish. Okay, so here it is, and it comes out like that. Not super runny at all. Like, you can tell it's going to be like kind of thick. So I have a damping Beautyblender, and I'm just going to take some like that. And you guys know I typically use a brush to blend my foundation. I just think it works better for me, but I'm going to use the Beautyblender for the sake of this video. It doesn't feel drying. It feels somewhat moisturizing a little bit. Or maybe that's my different Beautyblender. I don't feel like I'm getting a whole lot of coverage with the Beautyblender, so I'm going to use a brush. This is a mess. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly. Okay. So I think that the foundation is medium. Maybe you can build it up to a full coverage, but I just think it's medium. I'm not seeing completely a full coverage foundation. Makeup Revolution London Skin Kiss in the shade Peach Kiss. Okay guys, so this is the complete look. I am really digging the eyeshadow. I'm not super crazy about the foundation, and being that it's coming from Beautyblender, I think I had really high expectations for the foundation, but I am loving the eyeshadow for sure. It's really nice and fun. I think everything applied nicely on top of the foundation. I'm gonna have to wear it a few more times just to, you know, get an idea of, do I really like it or do I not like it? But yeah, let me know what you think about this look. You can leave a comment in the comment section down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, you guys. Hit the bell if you want to be in the loop for new videos and things like that. And again, thanks guys, and see you next time. Bye.